Egress Illumination requires emergency power backup. You can use a generator for emergency egress illumination, but it must be properly connected to the egress illumination system and meet certain requirements. Firstly, the generator must be capable of automatically starting within 10 seconds of a power failure. Secondly, the generator must be sized to provide the required illumination levels for the entire egress path for at least 90 minutes. Thirdly, the generator must be tested weekly and annually to ensure operability. Generator power alone may not be sufficient to meet the requirement that emergency egress illumination must come on if a breaker or fuse is tripped. A stored energy backup system such as a battery may be needed to ensure that illumination is provided in all scenarios. Now let's consider the difference between an emergency and a standby generator. An emergency generator is specifically designed to provide power to essential systems in the event of a power failure. It typically has automatic starting and transfer capabilities. It also has a connection to essential systems such as egress illumination and fire pumps. It has a longer runtime capacity, typically several hours. A standby generator, on the other hand, is not specifically designed for emergency situations. It is typically used to provide backup power to non-essential systems such as appliances or machinery. It may not have the same capabilities and runtime capacity as an emergency generator. If a generator is used for egress illumination, it does not automatically become an emergency generator. The generator's classification depends on its intended use and capabilities. However, using a generator for egress illumination may trigger certain requirements, such as the need for automatic starting and transfer capabilities. The requirement for generators in apartment complexes varies by jurisdiction. In some cases, generators may be required for egress illumination essential systems, or both. Refer to your local building codes and fire codes for specific requirements. For an apartment complex, it is recommended to install both a generator and a stored energy backup system for egress illumination. This will ensure that illumination is provided in all scenarios, including power failures and trip breakers. The generator should be sized and connected to provide the required illumination levels for the entire egress path for at least 90 minutes.